Still no sign of Dave. It's Dave, everyone, it's Dave! Yeah, use our loot, yeah, go and use our loot, yeah. Dave, keep Dave, look at Dave, don't be shut out the loot. Oh, keep running then, Dave. Let's all run with Dave. Come on, keep running with Dave. Come on. Keep running with Dave. No, Joe, give that back to Dave. He might die. He's retired. Keep going, Dave. Don't get that. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling alright.
You're losing minutes.
At 2 miles, I feel great. What? What's it? What? This? It's a special gel to make me go faster when I start slowing down.
Who's that bloke?
It's a guy I've been training with in London.
Is he?
He's meant to be doing sub 4, but
He could have done a Paula though, couldn't he?
What?
He could have done a Paula.
No.
Squat down on here.
well, yeah.
No.
Yeah, they're going to another
Okay.
spot. So I like it so much. I'm saying it.
He's got a job for 23 miles.
What?
He might be lost.
Yeah, they're up here today. Keep them up.
Dave, this is my pavement, Dave.
Look, we must have had enough footage by now.
No, I don't know. Coming back again. Look. We've sent Dave. Here we go. Come on, Dave! Come on, Dave!
Take it again.
Dave, he's back. You know, they'll come out and now the way they've got to join they've got to be running when they come out. Look, hang on. Go on, Dave! Go on, Dave! Where is he? Hey! Go on, Gary! Hey! Go on, Dave! And there goes Dave. It can only happen to Dave. Dave the dump.